Good evening to this short breathing class, which will help you to fall asleep deep and as fast as possible. Did you know that it's all about the breathing when you're able to relax or not to relax? So when your exhalation is lengthened and deepened, then your nervous system moves into a parasympathetic state, which means it's in a relaxed state. If your inhalation is really long, or you breathe many inhalations in a row, then you become more wind up. So it creates more energy. And so for this breath, which is called 1.2, means that we breathe an inhalation and then we double the exhalation, because the exhalation is that what winds us down. So that's the work, the winding down. So now I would like you to first come into a seated position. At some point you will be able to practice this lying down, but right now still sit so you get a little bit better connection. So even though the breath sounds simple, we still have to get to know our own breath and how we are in this moment on that day during that certain season. So I'm a little bit more relaxed in the summer automatically, whereas in the winter I'm more agitated. So I would like you to just sit in a comfortable seated position and then close your eyes. Now take a deep breath, inhaling. Exhale completely. And then take a moment to just listen. Where is your breath? How does it feel? Is your inhalation or your exhalation longer? Now, once you defined which one is longer, if your inhalation is longer, then work on extending the exhalation just a little bit. Now, there's a very important part. Do not push the exhalation just so that it becomes longer, because then you will get the opposite effect. You get actually more agitated. So, long inhalation and long exhalation. Now, if you get to a moment where you feel, I cannot exhale longer than my inhalation is, why not shorten your inhalation a little bit? So inhale just a little less, and then exhale, start by getting them both the same length. And then with each breath, try to make the exhalation just a little bit longer. Even though the breath is called 1-2, it doesn't mean that from the start you have to be exhaling double the amount of length. This is a process. This is where you will get to. To feel a soft, comfortable inhalation, and then a soft, long exhalation. If there's a moment where you feel like, now I don't know where I am and what's happening, just stop, relax, forget about it, and then continue again. Okay, now I'm feeling my inhalation, and I'm exhaling. I'm adding a little length to it, but without putting any pressure. So if you start pushing, your heart will beat faster, and you'll get the effect of a rising energy, of a rising blood pressure. Whereas when the exhalation lengthens, we are lowering the blood pressure. You're lowering down the energy for sleeping. I would like you to do 6 more of this, 6 rounds, so count them. So even if you get to exhale a little longer, it's already enough. It's enough. And as you keep practicing this, little by little, the exhalation will be longer and longer. This is what happens when we sleep. We lengthen the exhalation. We make that gentle sound in the throat. Just listen to somebody sleeping. When somebody sleeps deep, this is how the breath sounds. Now slowly open your eyes again. So like I said, do not push it. Keep it smooth. If it doesn't work, stop completely and then start again. Little by little, you will get into it, and then you just lie down, relax, focus on your breath, lengthen the exhalation. At some point, make it double as long as the inhalation is. And you're already sleeping. You don't even need to think about anything anymore. I wish you a wonderful night. Namaste.